Dear brothers and sisters, last night I had a dream about walking along a wooded path full of all kinds of treats to eat. The wooded path ended up at an outhouse. When I opened my Bible this morning, I saw Matthew 15:17, in which Jesus asks, "Do you not see that whatever goes into the mouth enters the stomach and goes out into the sewer?" Verse 18 goes on to say, "But what comes out of the mouth proceeds from the heart, and this is what defiles, what violates holiness." In verse 19 and 20, Jesus says, "For out of the heart come evil thoughts, murders, adulteries, fornications, thefts, false witness, slanders. These are the things which defile a person." In verse 36 to 38, after giving thanks, Jesus multiplies the loaves and fishes and feeds 4,000 men plus women and children, and still has 7 baskets of leftovers after all the people were satisfied and had their fill. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for the food you provide. Help us to be careful and to be cautious about choosing our words. Help us to choose loving and kind thoughts and words, for these are like honey, sweet to the soul and healthy for the body. These are the recipes for success.